started now.
Yeah, so as it turns out, we do have to pull the fuse box out. My suspicions were right about motor being a little too wide.
Okay.
So, let's see, it's a side bolt here.
Okay.
The top one here should have space with this for the top, but I don't know about the side. I can grab another thing from the toolbox I have nearby if need be.
Okay.
Oh my lord. Well, that top one was not tightened at all.
Oh.
That's okay. We'll tighten it back up when I put it back together. Down there will be alright. It's the side one now that's gonna be a challenge. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get a shorter setup here. Just a second.
Yeah.
Getting up to go grab it. Okay, so this is a 10mm wrench.
Okay.
I have a ratcheting one, but mine broke. This works just fine. That was the tight one. That was doing all the work holding it in. Oh well. Okay. Let's drop this guy down, or even just off to the side somehow. Figuring out a way to do this without stressing the wiring too much.
Yeah.
This is another reason you're going to want the battery unhooked for this job, is how to move this. So you don't want to have any potential open wires run into bare metal. You know what? This should be okay, because I can just kind of shove this to the side if need be now. Okay. So let's go. Actually, we can just leave this here, because our next step is gonna be actually pulling the column down.
Yeah.
Or wait, I just realized I want to make sure that's not a problem first.
Yeah.
Huh. That's just a straight up terrible install.
Yeah.
Didn't even tape it.
Oh dear.
Jeez. Well. Okay. I'll go ahead and clean that up. Make sure that doesn't cause issues.
Yeah.
Do you end up going to Visions by chance for this?
Vision? No, not yet.
Oh,
like, I went to the bin auto.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so.
You know, the local Visions around here has a bit of an issue with setting cars on fire from how bad their work is.
Oh, really?
Actually installing radios, like selling them, yeah, totally fine.
Oh.
But
yeah, I went to the bin auto. Like,
oh yeah.
so, like.
So looks like they just tapped into the starting button here.
Okay.
How am I going to get this guy to move? I feel something. I think that's a pull-up tab.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, that's a pull-up tab. Okay.
And then here we have a large side clip hidden behind things. And because of what they did here, that doesn't make a difference. Lovely. Jesus. This is a mess. Well, we can at least undo enough of the zip ties to get this remote start wire out of the way without causing damage.
Okay.
Not a great installation. A functioning one, but a pretty rough one.
Yeah.
I cannot see. There we go. I got that one now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so that just taps into the actual starter button.
Okay.
That should be hanging low enough now.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get this one for extra good measure.
Okay.
And redo those ties when we put it back together because, good lord. And yeah,
Okay.
if I had some spade connectors on me, I would replace these with spades, and then I would properly cap off
Yeah.
whatever they were doing with this wire,
Mm-hmm.
because that's just not excusable.
Yeah.
Hi. Now we should be able to drop the column.
Oh, awesome. Back in action, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, this remote start situation is not a normal part of the procedure.
Oh. I should get it checked because, like, in that time when he was installing, like, he was in bit of a hurry.
Yeah.
And I was also in a hurry. Might be I didn't give much time.
Yeah.
So he said, like, if you have any problem, just come back. It's still in the warranty, I guess. Like,
Yeah.
Like I got it, I think, last year only.
Yeah, that's good lord. Not a super great installation.
Yeah.
This is the fun part here. Actually, let's get the far one first.
Yeah, here is it. Should I hold the steering?
Oh, there's still one more bolt holding it, so. Thank you, though.
You will.
And now we can go ahead, hold the column. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Yeah. Nice. Talk about heavy steering feel.
Yeah, it's not that heavy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
Yeah.
So there was a hook he mentioned. I see it. You guys aren't going to be able to see it just yet, but kind of maybe. It's right there.
Okay.
So we just got to pull the column a little forward.
Okay.
And that should let us bring it far down enough.
Mm-hmm. Is there more screw or just that one?
Just that hook.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Holy, there it is, man.
Okay. Yep. There's the motor. There's the hook. Unfortunately, I think, yeah, this is going to be in the way.
Okay.
Let's try. Oh, wait, no, we're landing on the seat. That's what's happening.
Okay.
Lovely. Oh. Plug that was forgotten.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Okay.
Now getting that is going to be a challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, this seat is supposed to go back further, and it does not.
Yeah.
So, might have an issue here.
Okay.
Might. Let's see. Get you to the side. What I think I can do if I can at least get the screws and get it up just enough, we can get the replacement spider piece in there.
Okay.
Said it was like a Torx or something? Yeah, that's Torx. Another.
It's a pretty tricky part, like of it, like.
Yeah. I'm gonna say it's probably a T27.
Okay.
They like to choose slightly unusual sizes. This is also a slightly unusual wrench, which should do the job. Assuming I can keep it down on the bolt. Oh well. There we go.
There you go.
There's one. Just gonna, oh yeah, now it's just gonna turn. Nice. First bolt. There's 3 that hold this motor down.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's how you're supposed to get it down. Nice. That makes me a good bunch more room, actually.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh. Lumda fuse into the middle of the harness during their work. Jeez. Good luck replacing that one if it pops, but thankfully it's a good size fuse.
Yeah.
It's a 30 amp.
Okay.
Yeah, they put it right here.
Oh.
So you end up having to cut ties to pull it out to swap it if it does fail.
Oh, that's
They really should have located that alongside the fuse box at least. But well, hindsight's 2020.
Now that's the most trickiest part, like going back in there and like.
Yeah. Actually, I've got a better angle on my left arm here.
Yeah, I should get a camera or something, small one at the back, so that it can go at the back and we can
see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. I think. Yep. Oh. Whew. My favorite thing in the world. Bolts that loosen in the same style as being broken.
No.
But yeah, no, we're still okay.
Alright.
It's always terrifying because you think, oh dang it, did I break it? But no, it just loosened very, very dramatically. Usually happens with like these cast aluminum, cast iron parts a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can get the motor high enough to swap this little spider bushing.
That's right.
It's loose.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
There's the motor.
Okay.
There is nearly nothing of this bushing left.
Oh.
Whew.
Holy.
There's your clunk.
Okay, can I see that? Oh, there it is. Okay.
What bushing? Yeah. It's probably why the guy said pull like vacuum out or blow it out or something to
Yeah.
clear it too.
Okay, guys, there's the thing. Okay.
That's
That we need
supposed to have 8 tines on it. It now has none.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here's the tines.
Okay. That's the culprit, eh?
Yep. There's your clunk. There's your clunk. Alright. Yep, found a couple more.
I have the cloth if you want to use it.
Yeah, that actually would help. Just kind of like brush some of this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, like even though a vacuum would be more ideal, both the gearbox and the motor are sealed.
Yeah.
So it isn't end of the world if you don't have a vacuum.
Okay.
It just makes life easier.
Alright.
Sorry, I had my hand in the way.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you ever run into the seat not going back far enough, there is room to just kind of and tilt the motor back on its rear.
Oh.
Just be gentle doing so.
I'll just try to. There is still some
Oh, there's still
debris.
a little bit of
Yeah.
crud in there.
Yeah.
Hard for me to see because of this wire.
Oh, there is it.
Oh yeah.
Sitting on the top. So just.
Yeah, I see it.
You got it.
I'm just gonna.
If you wanna use this.
Yeah. I'll
It's pretty tight place to work on.
Yeah. It's only so much I can get with just a rag, though.
Yeah. Should I put some alcohol on it? So just make it little wet so that we can take all the rubber off. I have some.
I think we should be okay now. We don't have to get all of it.
Okay.
Just enough to get out of the way of the splines.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can go drop the new piece in.
Okay.
Let's get like a side-by-side of what it's supposed to look like
Yeah.
versus what it currently looks like. We'll run it. There's,
Can you see it?
yeah, that's the actual, that's like the steering rack side of the spline.
Okay.
That's all that is.
Okay. Is it all removed debris? Because I think
There's still like a little bit in there, but you can only get some of it without a vacuum, so.
Should I bring a vacuum up?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
If you've got one with like a hose, that would be good.
Okay.
We can just get the hose in there.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Alrighty.